Congratulations, Bob. Congratulations, Bob Cook.
Who's in the car with him?
Oh, that's Alex.
That guy picked the car?
No, he's talking.
Oh, okay. Hey, Bob! Bob Cook!